I'm 7 months into building my jewelry brand called Hyphen Mood, and I gave myself 1 week to finalize and elevate my second collection. And this time, it already feels different. This is my launch week. I'm finalizing the pieces to my second collection, and this part of the process has honestly been one of the hardest because every piece that has made it this far is something that I genuinely love. But I really wanted this collection to feel focused and intentional, so I'm making a lot of decisions to narrow it down and build around a very clear direction, especially since I'm introducing silver and demi-fine jewelry for the first time. I really want everything to feel cohesive. Hey guys, it's Kay, and it's officially launch week for my second jewelry collection. Until now, I have only sold gold jewelry, but for the first time, I'm actually introducing silver and two-tone pieces, which I am so excited about. You guys have been asking for silver. I have been listening. I have been hearing you. I have been searching for months to find and curate the right silver pieces that really reflect Hyphen Mood and also feel very elevated, simple, and timeless. This collection is called Duality, and it really represents a huge shift for my brand. So I wanted to share a little bit about what makes this collection different. So what I love most about the collection is how all of the pieces work together. Every piece is very simple, so when you layer everything together, I think it just makes such a statement. I don't have time to talk about every single piece, but one of my favorite earrings is actually the core earring. Gives this illusion of two different earrings in one, and it also comes in this silver and gold two-tone version, and I feel like this one especially really represents the entire Duality collection. I just love this balance between gold and silver, simplicity, but also the complexity of the earring, and I feel like it just represents the multi-hyphenate woman. Another standout is the dome huggy. It's structured, minimal, and hugs the ear perfectly. This was actually one of my best sellers when I soft launched the silver pieces at my pop-up last month, which really gave me a lot of confidence in the direction of the collection. And just seeing people choose these pieces in person was also very validating and honestly just really helped me make decisions. So I am 7 months into running Hyphen Mood, and I am obviously still learning a lot. I've been thinking about how often I should be doing launches. Should I do smaller drops more often? Should I do larger seasonal collections, which is essentially what I'm doing now? One of the hardest parts of building this collection has honestly just been choosing. I have so many pieces that I absolutely love, but I've also really been learning that part of building the brand is also learning how to edit and just learning how to focus. I'm also working on creating more content and showing up more, which we know has been one of the hardest parts for me as a founder. If you remember my 3-month update, I was really trying to find a sustainable rhythm for social media. So we're not quite there, but we're getting there. I just want to focus on resetting. It is very necessary that I figure out this social media thing. So I'm going to keep working, keep preparing, and just finish out this launch week. Hey guys, it is the next day, it is Sunday, and we have a package yesterday that I didn't have time to open, so I thought we would unbox it together. I am pretty sure that this is samples. Let's see what we have. The packages on these boxes are always so intense. It's like nobody is getting in here. I actually don't think this is a sample. I think that this actually might be products that I ordered and have already vetted. Yes, I think so. I actually really like that it has a clasp because I am good for losing the back of an earring. So this is really nice. You don't have to worry about that. Now I'm really thinking about what I want to name this earring. This is like the really fun part. Now that everything has a name, I am just starting to feel like a mix of nerves and excitement. I have really loved how everything has come together for the second collection. I have been so intentional at every step, and I just really hope that that comes through. So we will see, but now I need to spend some time on inventory and just bringing the website to life. So we just finished going through all of my inventory, and honestly, I didn't realize how much of the collection I already had ready. A lot of this actually came from my med spa pop-up from last month, where I did a soft launch of just a few pieces from the Duality collection. So that was a really nice head start. And we also mapped out some of my content for the launch and hopefully beyond the launch. Like I've said a million times, I really want to focus on being consistent over the next few months on social media. And I just want to see what happens. I feel like I've never really given content a fair shot in that way. So I'm excited to finally test it out and put in the effort that is actually needed for it. So I think at this point, we're in a pretty okay place for the launch, but I'm also realizing you're never going to feel 100% ready. I feel like there's always something you want to do or something extra, something you could improve. So you kind of just have to do the best you can and go for it. So now I'm just going to tighten up some things on the website. I've got some photos that I still need to edit and get through, so we're getting close. Real vision for the brand is that my jewelry can stay with her, like no matter what phase, what mood, what situation, it just can move seamlessly with her, that she doesn't have to necessarily Hey guys, its launch day, and it is about 1:45 right now, so we are about 15 minutes out from going live, which feels a little bit crazy. I'm unfortunately not fully done with the website yet, which is not ideal, but the important things are done. So I've got my photos updated, descriptions are updated, but there are definitely still some things on the back end that I would have liked to finish. But honestly, this is exactly why I set launch dates for myself, because if I don't have a hard deadline, I will literally sit there, overthink everything, and never actually launch. So for me today, it's really just about getting everything live. And I will say that the energy just feels a little bit different this time. I think because I've already launched before and I just have slightly higher expectations going into it. But at the same time, I'm really trying to stay really grounded about it. I've done my best for social media, so hopefully that will help. I also already know I'm probably going to be on my computer for at least 30 to 45 minutes after launch, maybe even a little bit longer, because I just need to clean things up on the back end, and there's just so much that I didn't get finished. And I actually need to leave around 3:30 because I'm meeting my friends for a very early dinner at 4 o'clock. We've been trying to get a reservation at this place forever, so this was the only time that they could fit us in. So no matter what, I have a hard stop today, which is probably a good thing. I will say that I am really, really proud of all of the photography for this launch. I feel like I have really pushed myself creatively in different ways and really leaned into the meaning and intention behind the collection theme, which is called duality. So I can definitely see the growth there, and I'm really excited about that. It also made me realize why people outsource photography, because doing it yourself is not easy, but I've actually been enjoying it. So I might keep leaning into that and maybe even take a class in the future. So we will see. But as far as expectations, I'm not really expecting anything crazy. I just really want to put this out there, see what happens, and hopefully get a few orders in. I'm just really curious about how these launches are going to look in the future and if I'm going to change things. And I think that I am, but I don't know to what yet. So I don't think I'm going to keep recording today because I honestly am feeling kind of wired, and sometimes filming just makes me more nervous. So I need to really lock in. We've got to go live. I need to post on Instagram. I need to finish editing on the site, and I need to get ready for dinner. So I guess we are just going for it. So let's launch. Thank you so much for all of your orders. Every single one means so much to me. This is honestly something that I have wanted for a really long time, and I don't take any of it for granted. I really hope you love your pieces.